Good morning students, myself UK Singh, science teacher at ISN Model. Okay. In this class we will continue the same chapter. This is chapter 4 of class 7. Okay. In the previous class we have discussed about the meaning of the term temperature and the devices by which we can measure temperature, that is thermometer. Okay. In this class we will study about the modes of transmission of heat. Okay. So there are three modes of transmission of heat. That is, first one is conduction. Okay. Before that, one basic principle about transfer of heat, that heat always travels from hotter object to colder object or hotter region to colder region. This is a basic principle of heat transfer. Now in this case, first of all, conduction, it takes place in solid. Okay. Now for that we will do one experiment. We will take a metal strip or metal rod, okay, fix it at one end and we will put waxes at equal distance, say A, B, C and D, and at one extreme end we will burn a candle. Now what will happen? First of all, the wax D will melt, followed by C, D and finally A. This indicates that heat is traveling from hotter medium to colder medium. Hotter region to colder region. Now the second one is convection. It takes place basically in liquids. We can demonstrate it by, we will take a glass vessel and fill it with water and burn a candle. And burn a candle at the bottom. There should be a fixing device which can fix the vessel. Now we will put a potassium permanganate at the bottom, okay, to see the movement of water. Now what will happen at this end where the water is receiving heat, the water will rise up, and along with it will dissolve potassium permanganate, which is basically pink in color. This indicates that at the bottom the water will get heated and will rise up, and a sort of gap has been created, which is been replaced by the colder water above it, and this process continues till the whole water in the vessel get heated. Okay. Now moving to the third one, that is radiation. What happens during radiation? Radiation is a mode of transmission of heat where no medium is required. Okay. For example, the sun rays reaches the atmosphere and the earth's surface. Okay. So sun is at a very far distance. Okay. And in this from the sun to the earth, most part is devoid of any sort of medium. Okay, it is traveling in the space. So here no medium is present. Still we get the sun rays or we see sun rays. That means here no medium is required, and this mode of transmission of heat is called radiation, where no medium is required. Okay. One more thing, after the completion of class, or when you will receive the link of the video, when you already watched the video, there will be 10 to 15 minutes time for you to ask questions related to the topic. Thank you.